Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on AI chatbot Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of AI chatbot Nova. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your time.